How to delete or unsave the saved chats on Snapchat permanently. So if you want to delete or unsave the saved chats on Snapchat permanently, then what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you need to go for the chats, which is on the bottom left, and open up the chat in which you would like to delete or unsave a chat. So here you may have a chat that you have saved, right? So if you want to unsave or delete the chat, you need to simply tap on that, and then you need to tap on save to save in chat. But if you don't want to save that on your chat, and if you want to delete that, then you need to tap and hold on to that chat again, and then tap on unsave. And if you want to simply delete the chat or delete the saved chat, you need to tap again, and then here you will have delete option. Tap on delete, and here you need to again tap on OK. And once you tap on OK, your saved chat will be deleted permanently. So that's how you can delete or unsave the saved chats on Snapchat permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.